whole new SYMA X8PRO is going to bring you a whole new flight experience. It's ready to fly when you get it. In the following process, you're free to pause the video at any time and learn the X8PRO accessories assembly with us. Installation. When the landing gear is installed, blade installation. There are two kinds of blades, positive and negative one. When blade is installed, please pay attention to the corresponding marks on blade. After press the blade down, a counterclockwise rotation, B clockwise rotation. Insert the protective guard into the corresponding slot. When removing the protective guard, just press the small handle. We can take this guard out easily. Next, let's pick up the camera. Insert the cable into the corresponding slot on the bottom of the aircraft, and then install it correctly. Finally, as the aircraft battery installation, insert the battery into the aircraft battery compartment and push it into place and fasten it. Open the remote controller's battery compartment and put the 4 self-purchased batteries into the battery compartment and finish battery installation. Use your phone, scan QR code, and install software. After connecting the Wi-Fi hotspot, then open the software. Now, mount mobile holder onto the controller and affix the mobile phone to the holder. Before the operation, we can start geomagnetic headless mode. Frequency matching and flight orientation definition will be done automatically. Horizontally rotate this aircraft at 360 degrees until the red indicator light change to quick flashing. And then put the red indicator side up. Vertical rotate 360 degrees until the indicator lights are always bright. Geomagnetic correction is completed. When the yellow-green indicator light turns green, it means the searching start is successful. When a key return is initiated, the aircraft will return to the recording point. Finally, turn on the controller and aircraft. After matching is done, unlock the aircraft and begin to fly. Turn off the aircraft. Turn on the aircraft. Turn off the aircraft. One key takeoff. One key landing. Fly in the constant altitude. Ascend. A descent. Forward. Backward. Left sideward flight. Right sideward flight.
Left rolling. Right rolling. Define the front before opening the headless mode. Headless mode. Long press the right joystick into headless mode and then long press the right joystick to exit the headless mode. High and low speed switch. Short press the right joystick to switch the flight speed of the aircraft. Trimmer key. When the aircraft is off, press the left joystick until it enters into the trimming mode, and then push the corresponding joystick to fine-tune. Push left and right joysticks to lower right for horizontal correction. Long press the trimming button and restart the controller for trimming reset. Camera video mode. Press the button on the upper left corner to control aircraft's camera and video action.
This amazing aircraft is equipped with high-definition camera with flexible turning.
When the aircraft's battery power is low, use the charging cable for charging. When the indicator goes off, it means charging is finished. Finally, manipulate the aircraft to shoot and enjoy the images or videos from Wi-Fi real-time transmission.